Solmelum Illabele, March 1st, 2024, Class 4, Friday. Just a note, Illabele is also called as Illadabele, Manni Kelasa, homework. Okay. Today's homework, as usual, please practice and record the video and submit in the Flip app. Also try the challenge question. The assignments in English. Number 1. My name is Vivan. I have a younger brother. Number 2. I clap with 2 hands. Number 3. I have 2 legs, but my puppy has 4 legs. Number 4. I am sick. I have cold and running nose. Its translation in Tulu. Number 1. Enna pudaru Vivan. Enkuri megge ulle. Number 2. Yanu raddu kaitu taati bottuve. Number 3. Enku raddu karu undu anda enna naida kinnigu 4 karu undu. Number 4. Enku ushar ijji. Enku sheeta bokka munkudu jappudu. Here is the challenge question. Can you list the conjunction in above Tulu sentences? A conjunction is a part of speech that connects words, phrases, or clauses. Here are the new words and meaning in English than in Tulu. Younger brother, megge. Clap, taati. 2. Rud, hand, kai. Leg, car. Puppy, naida kinni. 4. 4. Sick, ushariji. Cold, sheeta. Nose, munku. In nose, munkudu. Running or dripping, jappundu. And bokka, has undu. There are also Roman, Kannada and Tulu Lipi letters in the picture if you want to refer to that. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.
America,